Samsung has launched Samsung Galaxy A51 smartphone with the quad rear camera setup. So let's see what we get inside the Galaxy A51 package. So let's check in this video. Hey guys, this is Tina from Trendated Tech. So this is the Galaxy A51 box. Let's unbox it. Here you will find the phone itself, an adapter with a Type-C USB cable, stereo headset, and here in the small box you will find SIM eject tool, some instruction manuals, and soft case for Galaxy A51. So these are the things we get inside this box. Now let's take a look at the Samsung Galaxy A51. Here you can see smooth and elegant pastel shade of Prism Crush black color variant of Galaxy A51. There is more colors options available. They are Prism Crush, white and blue. A premium gloss finish and the Alive screen adds a perfect touch of style to its 7.9 mm sleek and slim body, perfectly blending style with in-hand comfort. Turning to the rear side, you will find quad camera setup on the left corner with a single LED flash. On top you will find a secondary mic. On the left side you will find a SIM card slot. On the right side you will find volume buttons and power button. And lastly, on the bottom you will find 3.5 mm headphone jack, Type-C USB cable, microphone and speaker. Now let's switch on the device. The Galaxy A51 features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Infinity OS AMOLED display, making this device slightly taller. The device runs on Samsung One UI 2.0 based on Android 10 operating system. Now talking about specs, the Samsung Galaxy A51 is powered by Exynos 9611 Game Booster processor packed with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Even you can increase storage by up to 512GB by adding a micro SD card. For gaming performance, we have tested Asphalt and PUBG in high graphics settings and we noticed no lags and shudders. Now talking about the camera, the Galaxy A51 has 48 megapixel main camera plus 12 megapixel ultra wide camera plus 5 megapixel depth camera and 5 megapixel macro camera. Camera app performed smoothly and we did capture pictures in both normal and ultra wide. And also you will find more options in this app. On the front side, Galaxy A51 comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera. Here are some pictures which we have clicked from Samsung Galaxy A51 quad camera. For security, the Galaxy A51 has in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock. The fingerprint and face unlock detection is quite fast. Samsung Galaxy A51 is powered by 4000 mAh battery with Samsung fast charging technology. Overall, I am impressed with the design and software-wise it performed well at our initial testing. We will keep testing the Galaxy A51 for the complete review. Stay tuned to our channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and we will meet again in another video. Thanks for watching.